If you've ever dreamt of being a millionaire someday, then stop what you're doing right now and pay attention to what I'm about to tell you. Because you cannot become a millionaire if you do not do this one thing. If you're watching this, you're probably like me. One day, you want to become a millionaire. Today, I'm going to share with you one thing that every self-made millionaire has done. But before I do that, you know I gotta remind you to subscribe to my channel and smash that like button if you too would like to become a millionaire someday. Being a millionaire is something people dream of their entire lives. But in order to become a millionaire, you need to change the way you think about money. You also need to understand what a millionaire is. A millionaire is someone who has a net worth of $1 million or more. If you don't know what net worth is or how to calculate it, I made a video about that exact topic, and I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. So what's the secret? What's the thing that every self-made millionaire has done but you haven't? What's the one thing that if you never do, you'll never become a millionaire? The answer is simple, but profound. You will never become a millionaire if you don't earn and save $1 million more than you spend. You must earn $1 million throughout your life that you keep. This is the only way to become a millionaire. If you spend all your hard-earned income every month on a house, car, or vacation and don't save any of it for yourself, you will never become a millionaire, no matter how much you earn. What would you do if you had $1 million? Let me know in the comments. If you see millionaires differently now, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Andrew Shear, and I'll see you next time.